The Amazon rainforest is a place of immense beauty. It is often referred to as the lungs of the earth, producing 20% of the world's oxygen. This vast expanse of greenery is not just a forest, it is a living, breathing entity that supports countless forms of life. Its lush canopy stretches as far as the eye can see, creating a dense green blanket that covers millions of square kilometers. The canopy is a world unto itself, home to an incredible diversity of plants and animals, many of which are still unknown to science. Rivers snake through the forest like veins teeming with life. These waterways are the lifeblood of the rainforest, providing nourishment and transportation for countless species. The Amazon River, the largest river by discharge volume of water in the world, is a vital artery that sustains the ecosystem. This is a world of vibrant colors, from the emerald green of the leaves to the sapphire blue of the morpho butterfly. The forest is alive with the sounds of birds, insects, and other creatures, each contributing to the symphony of the jungle. The diversity of life here is staggering, with thousands of species of plants, animals, and insects coexisting in a delicate balance. Yet, for centuries, a dark shadow has been cast over this paradise, the myth of the cannibalistic Amazonian tribe. This myth has been sensationalized in literature and media, creating a false narrative that has overshadowed the true nature of the indigenous people who call this place home. This myth, perpetuated by outsiders, has painted a distorted picture of the Amazon's indigenous people. These depictions have often been used to justify exploitation and colonization, ignoring the rich cultural heritage and deep knowledge these communities have of the rainforest. It has fueled fear and prejudice, hindering our understanding of their rich cultures and deep connection to the rainforest. The indigenous tribes of the Amazon have lived in harmony with their environment for millennia, developing sustainable practices that ensure the health and vitality of the forest. It's time to venture beyond these myths and discover the true heart of the Amazon. By learning from the indigenous people and respecting their way of life, we can gain a deeper appreciation for this incredible ecosystem. The Amazon is not just a place of beauty, it is a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of nature and humanity working together.
The myth of the Amazonian cannibal likely arose from a potent mixture of fear and misunderstanding. Early European explorers venturing into the unknown depths of the rainforest encountered cultures vastly different from their own. These encounters, often marked by language barriers and cultural misunderstandings, bred suspicion and fear. Rumors of cannibalism, often spread through whispers and exaggerated tales, served several purposes. They reinforced European notions of superiority, justifying colonization and exploitation. These stories also provided a convenient scapegoat for the violence and brutality inflicted upon indigenous populations. The myth of the cannibal became a powerful tool to dehumanize and control.
The reality of Amazonian tribes is far removed from the cannibalistic stereotypes. These communities, often misunderstood and misrepresented, have rich and diverse cultures that are deeply connected to the natural world around them. Anthropological studies have consistently shown that cannibalism, while practiced in rare instances throughout history, was never widespread in the Amazon. These studies reveal a much more complex and nuanced picture of Amazonian life, one that is often overshadowed by sensationalist myths. Most tribes have no history or tradition of cannibalism. Instead, they have rich traditions of storytelling, music, and dance that have been passed down through generations. These traditions are a testament to their deep connection to their ancestors and the land they inhabit. Their cultures, rich in tradition and wisdom, are deeply rooted in respect for all life. This respect is evident in their sustainable practices and their harmonious relationship with the environment. They have developed intricate knowledge of the flora and fauna of the rainforest, which they use for medicine, food, and shelter. Instead of bloodthirsty savages, we find communities built on cooperation, sharing, and a profound understanding of the natural world. Their social structures are often egalitarian, with decisions made collectively and resources shared among all members. Their languages reflect the intricate web of life around them, with words and phrases that describe the natural world in ways that are often untranslatable to outsiders. These languages are a vital part of their cultural heritage and a key to understanding their worldview. Their songs carry the stories of their ancestors, preserving their history and traditions in a way that written records cannot. These songs are often performed during rituals and ceremonies, which play a crucial role in maintaining the social and spiritual fabric of their communities. And their art celebrates the beauty of the rainforest. From intricate beadwork to vibrant paintings, their artistic expressions are a reflection of their deep connection to the natural world and their reverence for its beauty and diversity. To understand the Amazon, we must first acknowledge the humanity and resilience of its indigenous people. Their way of life, though often threatened by external forces, continues to thrive and adapt. By learning from them, we can gain valuable insights into sustainable living and the importance of preserving our natural world for future generations.
For millennia, Amazonian tribes have thrived in the rainforest, developing sustainable practices that are deeply rooted in their culture and traditions. These practices are not just methods of survival, but are integral to their way of life, reflecting a profound understanding of their environment. They have honed techniques that maintain the delicate balance of this complex ecosystem. Their knowledge of the forest is unparalleled, encompassing an intimate understanding of the flora and fauna that inhabit it. This knowledge is not merely academic, but is lived and experienced daily. They can identify countless plant and animal species, understanding their uses and roles in the intricate web of life. This includes knowing which plants can be used for medicine, which are edible, and which have other practical uses. Their expertise extends to the behaviors and patterns of the animals they share the forest with, allowing them to coexist peacefully and sustainably. This invaluable knowledge is passed down through generations, ensuring the continued survival of both the tribe and the forest. Elders play a crucial role in this process, teaching the younger members through stories, rituals, and hands-on experience. This intergenerational transfer of knowledge is a cornerstone of their culture. Their agricultural practices, often misunderstood by outsiders, are carefully adapted to the rainforest environment. They practice methods that are in harmony with the natural cycles of the forest, such as shifting cultivation, which allows the land to recover and maintain its fertility. They practice shifting cultivation, allowing the forest to regenerate and preventing soil depletion. This method involves clearing a small area of the forest to grow crops for a few years, and then moving on to a new area, giving the previously used land time to recover and regenerate. Their hunting and fishing practices are carefully regulated, ensuring the sustainability of these resources. They take only what they need and have developed techniques that minimize impact on the environment, such as using traditional tools and methods that do not deplete the local wildlife populations. The relationship between the Amazonian tribes and the rainforest is one of interdependence and respect, a testament to their deep understanding of living in harmony with nature. They see themselves as part of the forest, not separate from it, and this worldview shapes all aspects of their lives. Their way of life is a powerful reminder of the importance of sustainability and respect for the natural world. As modern society grapples with environmental challenges, there is much to learn from these masters of sustainability. Their deep connection to the forest and their sustainable practices offer valuable lessons for creating a more balanced and harmonious relationship with our planet.